still seeing some steady showers here in East Tennessee. And this is a look from our Sky 6 Market Square camera. You can see the rain is still coming down. You can hear it on our roof here. You can see the puddles and puddles that have just accumulated in the Market Square area there. And again, we're still seeing rain right now. Look from our Storm Tracker 6 radar. A lot of those heavier showers kind of located in West Knox County and portions of Blount County, McMinn and Monroe counties, as well as Sevier County. Take a zoomed in look, seeing the heavier showers kind of along 40 here, near Bearden Elementary School, Bearden High School, Amherst, Echo Valley, and Riverbend. Another area seeing some heavier showers is closer towards Happy Valley, Chilhowie, and Calderwood. And one last stop for us on our radar, a little farther south, kind of closer towards the Sitico area, as well as the Rafter area. You can see the yellow and red there. This is just east of Tellico Plains. This is where we're seeing the heaviest rain as of right now. Now, we do expect to eventually see all of this subsiding as we move on into our Thursday morning. So let's take a look at our 6 predictor. As we head on into the rest of the night, we're going to start to see the back end of this system begin moving on into our area. Eventually, most of the rain does break up and become more scattered in nature. And then eventually by 7 a.m., we should just see nice and dry conditions going forward into the rest of the week, which is great news. We do expect to be dry for our Valentine's Day. I'll look at your Valentine's Day forecast. By noon, temperatures will be in the low 40s with a mix of sun and clouds. By 4 p.m., we should see temperatures in the low 50s, our daytime high, and we will stay dry. As we move on into our Friday night, cloud cover is expected to build and our temperatures begin to drop. This is all leading up to our next weather maker. And this next weather maker is a bit of a complicated system. So we do expect to see lots of rain Saturday going on into Sunday. And our threats do include heavy rain possible. So this can lead to flooding. We're expecting an additional 2 to 3 more inches adding on to what we've already seen today and yesterday. So again, flooding is still a major concern. And not only are we dealing with massive amounts of water, but also damaging winds. And with that soil as soggy as it is right now, any and all wind that comes through can knock over trees, can knock over power lines, and so we'll have to keep watch of that. The good news is, though, our severe storm threat is on the lower end. So let's take a look at our flash flood threat. Just that way you know how much water we're expecting. The Weather Prediction Center issued this afternoon. We're seeing a medium threat for the areas highlighted in yellow here and a high threat for the areas highlighted in red here. That's where we're going to see the heaviest amounts of rain moving forward. So look at your 6 predictor. We're still about 4 days out, so things can change, but this is kind of what we're expecting. As we move towards 7 a.m. on Saturday morning, rain is going to move through the area. This is going to be like the steady showers that we're seeing right now. Now, this rain does get heavier the later we head into our Saturday. This is because we're getting more energy from the south, pulling in more moisture and warm air. By the time this cold front that's driving this entire system gets here, we're going to have enough ingredients to cause us to hear that thunder, see that lightning, and see those heavier showers. This is around 11 p.m., so this is also an overnight system. So go ahead, have your weather notifications turned on. I know we keep saying that this week, but it is very important you do, especially with this system that moves on through, because it's going to be quick. But remember, it's going to dump about 2 to 3 more inches, and that much water and that little time, again, can cause some flash flooding. Most of this should be out of here by mid-morning on Sunday, but again, we will be weather aware because of that threat for flooding. Tomorrow, mainly early rain, dry by the afternoon, briefly dry by Friday, weather aware on Saturday because of that flooding and storm threat. Some rain to mix by Sunday, but we don't expect much accumulation-wise. For the start of next week, we will be dry with a chilly start. And then as we move towards the middle of next week, well, another chance to see some type of precipitation moving on through. So we've got a busy next 7 days. Go ahead, have our app downloaded. Don?
All right, Mara, go now to a 6 News consumer